Hi there, and welcome to our first maths video on probability. In this video, we will be discussing the first chunk of probability, which is single event probability. And into that, we will be looking at expressing a probability in words. You probably might be thinking, what are the words? Well, the words are impossible, unlikely, evens, likely, and certain. So, what do these words mean? Well, impossible means that there is no chance of it happening. There is no chance. Unlikely means there is a chance, but it's not likely that it's going to happen. There's a little bit of a chance. So, evens. Evens means it's 50-50. It can go either way, 50-50. Likely means that there is a small chance it's not going to happen and there's a more chance it's going to happen. So it's more likely. And certain it's 100% is going to happen. So let's look at a question involving single event probability. Over here we have to match these letters to their words. As you can see that there's a 0 over here and there's a 1. So that we have to see the probability of T happening, S happening, P happening, R happening, and Q happening. So as I've mentioned before, evens means it's 50-50. So if 0 is over here, 1 is over there, that means halfway would be 0.5. And 0.5 is halfway and it's 50-50. So that means evens should be P. Impossible means it's not gonna happen. It's 100% it's not gonna happen. And if T is on 0, that means there is no chance of T happening. So impossible would be T. Certain means something 100% is gonna happen, and that means it's the full reward. So the full percent, so 100% is gonna happen. So certain would be Q, because Q is at the front at 1. Unlikely means it's between impossible and evens. Unlikely is between those. It's a small chance that it's gonna happen, but it's likely that it's not gonna happen, so it's gonna be S. Likely is gonna be between certain and evens. So in this case it would be R. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. And one last thing, please subscribe.